G'day and welcome back to Street Spec TV. In this episode, we're going to be looking at a 1973 Ford ZF Fairlane. The ZF Series Fairlane was released in Australia in April 1972 alongside its baby brother, the XA Series Falcons, featuring Ford's all-new Coke bottle styling. They were available with a 302 or a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and combined with a long wheelbase and plus suspension made for a very comfortable ride for soaking up vast distances with ease. This particular car has been in storage now for a number of years. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through it. We're going to check everything out. We're going to change all the fluids. We're going to change all the brakes, the suspension. We're going to get it ready to get it back on the road so we can start enjoying this classic Ford once again. Now, like I said, this Ford has been in storage for a number of years, but it is in remarkably good condition, being only a two-owner vehicle. This particular Fairlane features a 302 cubic inch V8 engine. We know it's a 302 V8 engine because on the front fenders you'll note the V8 badge. The 351 cars had a 351 badge on the front guard. Now this car is also coupled with a column shift automatic transmission. Combined with the dicky seat in the front makes this Fairlane a six-seater, which I think just adds to the coolness. Now this car is in remarkably good condition for its age, believe it or not. It does need some work mechanically. We are going to sort that out. We'll probably pull the engine out of it. It has got a broken engine mount and it needs a couple of other repairs. So the engine will probably come out of it and we'll get a freshen up in the engine bay. The bodywork is exceptionally good on this car. Rust wise, it has virtually no rust. The paint is down, but that's okay. We can live with that because we'll possibly go for a rat rod type look. The car has been garaged all its life and is in very good condition. Like I said, rust wise, it is virtually zero rust in this car. It does have a few battle scars, but that adds character. The boot is remarkably clean and rust free. This car did have a rust treatment when it was purchased new, and I think whoever done it did a very good job because this car has virtually no rust. Keep watching and there'll be more videos coming soon. Bye for now.